Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, PaintballProps.com, and ElectronicLessons.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the IR-XX04, the LaserBlazer laser tag time bomb prop. It works with 38 kilohertz laser tag guns, and it works just like our popular Betty products. It has some extra functions, and I hope you'll allow for me to give you a full demonstration of how it works. So for our first demonstration, I'll power it up.
Program wire.
Program wire. So wire 1, wire 2, wire 3, wire 4, labeled on the board. In order to program in which wire, we press 1, 2, 3, or 4, and that will program in which wire we want to be our deactivation wire. If we want to cut wire cut mode out of software completely for this game and ignore all wire cut mode, just press the star button. In this case, I'll press 1 for wire 1 to be our deactivation wire.
Program laser.
Program laser. So I don't have a 38 kilohertz laser tag gun with me, but I have this remote, and it should work with any 38 kilohertz laser tag system. If you don't want to use this mode, you simply press the star button now. Otherwise, I'm going to program in a signal into the receiver right here, rated for 38 kilohertz. And what it'll do is, if you tamper with the system, it will retransmit that signal and hit anyone within the vicinity. So I'll press a button on my remote control.
Ready clock.
Ready clock. So if we want to increment our clock, we tap this button, increment that digit. So if I want to increment this digit to 5, I tap this button 5 times. If I want to move on to the next digit, I press and hold. Again, when I'm there, I tap to increment. If I want to move on to the next digit, I tap and I press and hold. So I'm going to increment to 3, every digit to 3. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. So now, all I have to do is press this button one more time and press 1 to activate the system.
System ready. Enter combination. So
at this point in time, if I enter in the wrong combination, this counter will start counting down 10 times as fast. This transmitting LED will retransmit every few seconds that code that I shot into the receiver. So if I was the team guarding the bomb prop, I would shoot my signal at the receiver, and it would retransmit that code and use that code to basically harm other players in the vicinity, causing them to have to go respawn. So I can enter in the correct combination. The default combination is star number 1 1, and that will completely reset the system, saying system deactivated. It will reset the system to start over again. As you can see, I'm hoping the camera's picking it up, but it is counting down at 32 minutes and 43 seconds. If you shake the timer board, it'll start counting down 10 times as fast. Now you can disable that function because it doesn't work for everybody, meaning not everyone likes that function. If you manhandle the board, it starts counting down 10 times as fast. Not everyone likes that. In order to disable that, you just simply have to remove this jumper right here, and it will not count down 10 times as fast unless you enter in the wrong combination or you pluck the wrong wire. But again, you can completely remove wire cut mode from the equation if you like. Now we can program in our own code, and I'll give you that in another demonstration, but I'm just going to disarm the system right now, and we'll go into a couple different demonstrations. Star number 1 1.
System deactivated.
Demonstration number 2.
Program wire.
Program wire. So I'm just going to completely cut out wire cut mode here.
Program laser.
I'm going to cut out the laser mode. It won't retransmit.
Ready clock.
So I've set it for 10 minutes.
System ready. Enter combination.
So I'm going to enter in the wrong code.
Incorrect combination. Enter combination.
So as you can see, it's counting down really, really fast. We're at 70 seconds right now, and if this timer runs out, this alarm is going to go off for a minimum of 5 seconds. That LED, the red LED, will turn on for 5 seconds, then turn off, and only after that red LED turns off can I press the 1 button to turn off the siren and reset the system. The siren's very loud.
Program wire.
So as you can see, the system resets. Let's do another example. Now you don't need to keep turning this key. After the system resets, it says enter combination, or sorry, program wire. I'm turning the system off just to show you several different ways to start the system up and how to use it. So in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the clock, I'm going to enter in the wrong combination, I'm going to program in a laser signal, and what's going to happen is you're going to see that blue LED indicating that it's retransmitting that signal that I've programmed in from my laser tag gun.
Program wire.
I'll just get rid of wire cut mode for now.
Program laser.
Okay, program my laser.
Ready clock.
I'll set for 20 minutes. I'll set for 30 minutes.
System ready. Enter combination.
Now watch the blue LED.
Incorrect combination. Enter combination.
That's indicating that it is retransmitting every few seconds. It's just retransmitting that signal once. So if anyone, this infrared LED is not focused, so meaning it has a wide spread of that signal, and so anywhere nearby is going to be hit with that specific signal shot by the laser tag gun of the person guarding the prop. Now again, you can disable that by when it says program laser, just press the star button and this will not happen. But as long as your gun is rated for 36 kilohertz, you're good to go. So now I can let the timer run out, or I can pluck the right wire, or I can enter in star number 11.
System deactivated.
Everything resets.
Program wire.
Now what if I want to enter in my own 4-digit code? What I'm going to do, it's much easier if this is mounted to do this. I'm going to use the main power supply for this. Is when it powers up, I'm going to turn off power. I'm going to press and hold the 1 button.
Enter program mode. Enter combination.
Enter program mode. So once it powers up, if you want to enter in your own code, you just have to press and hold the 1 button. It will tell you enter program mode. Enter code. So if I enter in 0000,
code programmed.
Code programmed.
Program wire.
And now we're back into the normal mode of operation. But 0000 is our new code. So let's do wire 1.
Program laser.
I'm gonna get rid of laser mode this time by pressing star.
Ready clock.
Ready clock. And I'm gonna program in 60 minutes, and I'll show you why in just a second.
System ready.
61 minutes.
Enter combination.
So what happens before we get to the new combination that we've applied? Actually, let me show you the new. If we enter in the default combination now, it's an incorrect combination.
Incorrect combination. Enter combination.
Only 0000 will deactivate the system.
System deactivated. Program wire.
So let's do wire 1.
Program laser.
Let's do no laser this time.
Ready clock.
Let's ready the clock. We'll do 21 minutes. And this time I'm going to show you something fun.
System ready. Enter combination.
I believe I programmed in wire 1 to be our wire cut mode, but I'm going to manhandle the clock. And it starts counting down 10 times as fast. Again, you can disable that by pulling that jumper, but I'm going to pull wire 1.
System deactivated.
So because I pulled that wire, it said system deactivated, but nothing's happening. It doesn't say enter program mode, and you'll see that the LED is on. Now the reason for that is because all the wires aren't connected. It knows that all the wires aren't connected when you power it up. So once I plug wire 1 back in, and it comes with extra wires, you can pluck them or you can pull
program wire.
And there you go. It's back to program wire. So now it's waiting for me to program in a wire. Now if I had plucked any of the other wires, what would have happened is not a whole lot, because it was already counting down fast. If it's already counting down fast and you pull the wrong wire, it's not going to do anything. If you have vibration mode enabled and you cause the timer to go down 10 times as fast. You can still disable it with the right combination and the right wire cut mode, assuming you haven't already pulled the wrong wire. But if this is already counting down 10 times as fast, then an incorrect combination or an incorrect wire pull won't have any effect. But there's so many different playable options with this. It's easy to mount. Everything has mounting holes. The keypad has mounting holes. The siren has mounting holes, and the double-sided tape on the back. The counterboard has 4 mounting holes, 1 in each corner. Same with the main Betty board. And really, all you need is a stereo connector to connect to. Now, what if I don't want to connect to a pair of computer speakers? This set also comes with a speaker that can plug directly into the 2-pin jumper here, and there's no polarity. So it's not nearly as loud, but it's still an option. So listen. Sorry, I should have it on a... There we go.
Program laser. Ready clock.
So it's not nearly as loud, but it makes it more portable. But this is meant specifically for laser tag applications. You don't need to have an external amplifier / set of speakers, but you have that option. It's much louder and much. Personally, I think it's much cooler to listen to than using a little speaker. The speaker does come with it, though. In any case, this comes with a stereo connector, fully assembled, counterboard, lock module, 2 keys, main processor board, keypad, and a loud siren. It comes fully assembled and tested, and if it does not work with your system, I will pay to have it returned, and when it is returned, I will offer a full refund. But it is rated, and it doesn't learn any specific protocol. It learns any protocol that has a 38 kilohertz modulation. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to send us a message at engineeringshock.com. Just have a look at our website. Also, check us out at paintballprops.com. We have tons of new products coming. 4 different LaserBlazer modules specifically for laser tag arenas. I hope you're excited. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.